Hey guys, Scott DeSalvo here, and I'm about to give you the best car crash advice no lawyers ever give to injured people. Here's the best car crash advice that you will never hear from an injury lawyer for some reason. But I came upon this after doing this for, 25 years now. Do not buy substandard, crappy, liability-only insurance. Go to one of the big, credible companies. I'm not going to list them out here because I don't like insurance companies, even though I have auto insurance and business insurance and all that stuff. I'm not going to list out any of them, but you know who they are. The big, credible companies, not the crappy little companies that only run ads, to people who are tight on money, right? Because those small, crappy insurance companies don't do anything for you if you're involved in a crash. They're terrible. If you really want to make sure that you or a loved one gets compensated after a crash, get full coverage insurance from a good insurance company, and if you can afford it, get $100,000 worth of coverage. Now, I know that sounds crazy, like it's going to be expensive, and there are people, like when I was younger, literally the good insurance was 3 times the price. I'm not telling you to spend 3 times the money if you can't afford to do it. Or if you've had a lot of accidents, it might be cost prohibitive, but at least call them up and find out what the rates are. Even if the rates are twice as high, if you can afford to do it, I strongly encourage you to go with a credible insurance company with at least $100,000 limits, because that is the best way to protect you if you get hit by an uninsured motorist. So that is the message for today. I know that money's tight, believe me, but it's really a smart thing to do. It's like one of those things. It's one of those things that you do that you wish you would have done if you didn't do it. That was sort of an interesting way to phrase it. Not the most artfully way to phrase that, right? Anyway, it's really good advice. Boy, do I represent a lot of people who wish they had better insurance. Even just from a car repair standpoint, a better insurance company is going to make getting your car repaired after a crash a dream compared to these substandard insurance companies. So that's really solid advice that no other attorney is going to give you about car crash cases. And that's all I've got to say. If you or a loved one has been involved in a car crash or a work injury or any kind of injury case, and you have questions or you need a lawyer to help you, please give me a call, 312-500-4500. You can call anytime, night or day, 312-500-4500. Check out the links in the description. I got a bunch of goodies on my website for you. They're all free. They're all tools to help you if you or a loved one has been involved in an accident. And if you enjoy the video, please subscribe and like. Give me a thumbs up. And thanks for watching. I appreciate it. And take care. Have a great day.